Page 1! First blood! To Lucy! 27 days and a wake up! Right face!
Oh, yeah!
Forward, march! Left, left, right step, march!
Cadets will spend a total of 5 nights practicing patrol base operations. This includes working in the field all day and sleeping in the woods at night.
Welcome to our treehouse.
The cadets work as a team to sleep, practice hygiene, and stay on red alert for enemy troops throughout the evening.
This is really just a temporary site where we are here to pretty much just lay out until we're ready to prepare for a mission. So the first task at hand is to get situated by our squad, and then each squad has mandatory roles. Basically, the main thing that we're doing here is pulling security and then preparing ourselves, such as cleaning all of our weapons, which is the first priority, hygiening, eating food, and then just pulling security. We just wait until we are ready to move on to the next position that we're going to.
It is very critical that we do this base right, because if we don't do this base right, we can have enemies spotting on us right now. And it's crucial because everybody have a task that needs to be complete to complete the mission. Right now, what they call the walking crawling stage. So basically what we're doing, what we're learning here, we will take to our FTA. FTX, by the way, is a field training exercise event of war without the cadre. Straight leadership on what we will be getting evaluated on. So what we'll be doing, we'll be conducting missions that we get from our cadre, and from our cadre we will execute them through patrol bases on our planning, hygiening, weapon maintenance, and executing the next day.
This is Madeline Grosh with the Public Affairs Office.